Okay, now this is the second part, and I just looked at this, and look how pretty this pin is. Alexandra, you have to tell me if you made this, because this is gorgeous. And what did you use to make this? It is so pretty. And it comes with a pin in the back, so that you could pin it in your coat, which is very nice, on your jacket, which I'm gonna do that. Another heart. Some butterfly stickers, and they are dimensional, all of them. Very pretty. They have some silver foiling on the sides. Very nice. Some more stickers, and these are dimensional, and they look like they are chipboard. Yeah, they are chipboard. They're very pretty. I love the stamp and the flowers. And the butterflies. And the postcards. Very pretty. Love. And some chipboard stickers. And they have like gold foil on them. Very pretty. Look at that one. How big it is. They're from Memento. Just gorgeous. Oh, more stickers. And they are dimensional. Oh, that's the from the card, which was so pretty. And the bumblebee. And it's dimensional. So she gave me some to play with. Very pretty. And some stencils. So there's a bird, a dragonfly, a butterfly, a bird, another butterfly, some more butterflies, butterflies and bird, dragonfly, some birds, and another butterfly. Very pretty stencil. Wow, this box just keeps on, and this is 472 pieces from Create 365 Memory Planning. Oh, me and my big ideas. So let's take a look. What's inside? So you got some big stickers. They look like little cards. More stickers. That's a pretty color, the wood grain. Some more stickers. Love this. You are pretty, happy, happy. You are so very loved. Hello, friend. And some clear stickers. Very pretty. Coffee. Grateful. Oh, this is one thick book of stickers. Oh, these you could put on your photos too. I love the gold foil on them. wonderful weekend. Yes, weekends are like mini vacations. They go by too fast. That's cute. Coffee, brunch, family day. That's cute. In two colors. Balloons and cake, coffee, and date night. Yep. I need one of those. This is good for April. And this to put in your calendar. So far it's already raining here. Yesterday was pouring all day long. Didn't do anything, just at home. Well, I did do the craft room, fixing it up, and helping my hubby with the other craft room, with the flooring. And I did do a couple of videos, and that was it. I called it a day. Noted who, what, where, when. What a great day. That's good for scrapbooking. Love these moments. Have an attitude of gratitude. And that's cute. You could write your own word or sentiment in that one. Road trip. We haven't had a road trip in a long time. I don't know about you, but I am tired being home. Just working home, it's getting a little depressing. Hopefully this summer they won't close the parks and we could do something more other than staying in your home or in your backyard. Which I don't mind staying in my backyard, but it's so cold that you can't even go outside, so. Oh, how pretty. And more. My girls. Time with friends. I haven't had that in a long time. I mean, I see them in Zoom, so probably I could take a picture in the Zoom and I could use that sticker. And that is it for that big sticker book. Thank you so much. I love it. And thanks a bunch. It's sticker stamps with the cutout from Sizzix. A Jen Long. That's pretty. Little butterfly there. Some flowers and some more flowers. And it does have all the dies for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How come it has 5? 5 dies. And 4 stamps. Am I missing something? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this. I think you could cut this out. And then this is this one, and then this one. That one. Oh, 5 dies and 4 stamps. I gotta see which one is that for. That's pretty. I like it. Very nice. Doesn't show what's the other die for. Probably it cuts the flower. Okay, I'll figure it out. Ooh, she gave me a Crafter's Companion butterflies. Metal die. Wow, that's big. Usually that is very big. Very nice. It cuts and embosses the paper. That's pretty. So it's a decorative metal die. So you could put it like on a card. Because it's big enough to put on a card. That's pretty. She gave me some journal, one drawing journal and one rule journal. So that's nice. That's pretty. So it's 3 pieces. It comes with elastic and 2 books. So the other book is right there. Let me open it up to show you. Flowers. And this one I believe is the one with lines. And this one is the one without. I love the colors. And then it comes with the elastic. And then the last thing in this box. She gave me a whole set. It's I have the little strips here. Doesn't want to come out of my finger. Okay. So it looks like there's a lot of things in here. So let me show you. The static. Okay. So let me put this to the side. So it's My Mind's Eye Yay collection, mixed bag, 40 pieces with gold foil accents. That's what you get in this packet. Very pretty. And then you get the 6x8 paper pad. I haven't seen this collection. But these are the pages that the cardstock that you do get. Double-sided. I love that mint. Oh, you get gold foil also in them. You could cut these out and use them in your rosettes too. Polka dot in pink and blue. Some stars. I love that. Very pretty. And it repeats. So you get 24 sheets, so 6 and 6. No. 12 and 12. So. And you get a sticker book. So you get 6 sheets, over 400 stickers in here. Wow, so this is what you get in here. I have not seen this collection. It must be new. So this is what you get. You get some alphas. And this collection is 2020. See, you could cut that cardstock and put it as rosettes behind your rosettes or in front of your rosettes. That's pretty. So that is a lot of stickers in here. And they are pretty thick. They're not thin. It's a good cardstock stickers. The llama. The bird. And that is the last. Okay, that's the last of my happy mail from Alexandra. Thank you so much, Alexandra. I love, love, love everything. And I will be sending your way some happy mail also. And I just have to do some projects. Thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.